seen. I can give you what you want, but you got to come home with me. Tell you I got some good old love, but I got some on the stove. When I get through throwing it on, you got to come running back for more. Boys and things are down by the dozen, that ain't nothing but just saying love. Little thing, let me light your chemicals, and mama, I'm sure to handle now. Yes, around. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this video lesson, how to play Hard to Handle as done by the Black Crowes. You might want to go ahead and download the little bit of tab that comes with this, because I'm going to start you out with the opening lick. We're going to start off in 5th position, and you're going to put your ring finger on the 6th string, 7th fret. Play that twice. Middle finger gets the 5th string, 6th fret once. And then the ring finger again on the 7th fret, 5th string though. And then we're going to slide out of position. Get the first finger on the 4th string, 4th fret. Back up into 5th position. Ring finger again on the 5th string, 7th fret. We're going to kind of go back and forth a couple of times between that and the first finger on the 5th string, 5th fret. Ending up back where we started. Ring finger on the 6th string, 7th fret. The chords for this song are amazingly simple. We're going to be up on the 7th fret. We're going to play a barred B chord for, well, most of the verse. So bar all the way across the 7th fret. Middle finger goes on the 3rd string, 1 fret up. Ring finger goes on the 5th string, 2 frets up. Pinky crowds behind on the 4th string, 2 frets up from the 1st finger. Now it's important to do the barred chord because you're going to be doing a lot of rhythm muting with it. Push down on the strings, let up. Don't move your fingers out of position, but rather keep them touching the strings nice and firmly, but not pushing them through the frets. That gives you a good scratch. Okay, I'm going to stop here in the chords because you don't just play a B over the verse. There's kind of a rhythm riff, if you will. So we're going to play the B, let up on it, scratch a little bit like I just described. And then you're going to pick these fingers up out of the way. Now, don't take them all the way off the fret. I'm just doing this so you can see what I'm doing. And you're going to play 4, 3, 2, and then we're going to play the E like that, with your ring finger going across 4, 3, and 2 again. So we're going B, down, down, scratch, scratch. And then we're going to play B, open. It was kind of a D chord. Okay, on to the rest of the chord. When you get to the end of the verse, pre-chorus, whatever you want to call it, you're going to play that E and slide it up 2 frets, so it's an F sharp. Exactly the same fingerings. Do not pull your fingers back like that. Then you end on the B. I like to end it with a slide. Little thing, let me light your candle, 'cause that's just me though. The instrumental break between the first 2 verses goes as such. Again, in this barred position, we're going to play a D chord. Hit it again, slide it up to the E. Then we're going to play an A, which is fingered exactly the same as the B, but down 2 frets. E, B. And that's the basic material that you need to play Hard to Handle as done by the Black Crowes. Don't forget to check below the video for the chord charts and links to other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's a big gray box where you can ask questions. If you didn't understand something, it's probably my fault. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Hard to Handle as done by the Black Crowes. Thank you for watching. Little thing, let me light your chemicals, and mama, I'm sure to handle.